This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Cadiquis 2.5 tablet is an effective anticoagulant that helps manage blood clot formation. It is used for various conditions and is essential for certain surgical procedures. Indications and uses. This medication is indicated for the prevention and management of blood clots that may occur in patients with atrial fibrillation, deep vein thrombosis, and pulmonary embolism. It is particularly useful for those recovering from hip or knee replacement surgeries to prevent clot formation and recurrence. How it works. Cadiquis 2.5 tablet works by inhibiting clotting factor Xa, an essential component of the blood clotting cascade, thereby preventing the formation of unwanted clots. Directions for use. Take Cadiquis 2.5 tablet as prescribed by your physician. Swallow the tablet with a full glass of water. If you experience difficulty swallowing, consult your doctor for alternative methods of administration. Your healthcare provider will determine the appropriate dosage and duration based on your individual health status. Possible side effects. Common side effects may include bleeding from the eyes, nose, or gums, bruising, and low blood pressure. If any symptoms worsen, it is important to seek medical attention promptly. Precautions and warnings. Before taking this medication, inform your doctor if you have any pre-existing conditions like bleeding disorders, liver disease, or if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Special caution is advised for elderly patients and those with kidney issues to prevent complications. FAQs. 1. Is Cadiquis 2.5 tablet a blood thinner? Yes, it is an anticoagulant that helps manage blood clot formation. 2. What precautions should I take? Inform your doctor about any existing health conditions before starting treatment. 3. What if I forget a dose? Take it as soon as you remember, and continue as normal. 4. Can it cause low blood pressure? Yes, this can occur and should be monitored closely. 5. Is it safe during pregnancy? It is not recommended during pregnancy. Consult your doctor. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Your feedback is always appreciated.